How to fix Snapchat app not opening on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, we will just go and open settings of your phone. And when it's opening, what you should do right now, just go to apps or application and open it. Now you will find all the application that you have on your phone, but search now just for Snapchat and open it like this. Then go to storage. On storage, go to the last button here, clear data. Click OK, then back and go to force stop, click OK. And if your Snap it's not update, go and update it again on Snapchat. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.